Day 2 without the Grand America. Seems like it's a little rainy. Luckily, it is in the high 60s today. Next week's supposed to be back down in the 40s. So hopefully I'll get the bike back late this weekend. Not sure how this bike is gonna handle in the rain and cold when it's 40 degrees, 30 something coming home. Rather not find out. I've gotten used to the old trusty BMW, which is good in the rain and cold weather, provides some shielding. This one, not so much. Now I'm gonna play Memphis's favorite game, dodging potholes. Nobody uses blinkers anymore. I have to guess. Are you going to turn? Not sure. You're slowing down, but I'm not sure if you're going to turn. So let me just stop because I can't figure out if you're going to turn or not. Oh, look, a couch. There's an entire couch on the side of the road, smashed up. Probably fell off of somebody's trailer or something. And they just flipped it off the side of the road. Yes. Hey-o.
Hi, how are you today?
Good.
You got one today.
Have a good one. Burp. All right, I'm here. Let me kick this kickstand 9 times. Sup, tribe? It's Friday. Ain't nothing better than a Friday. This is the last, this is the week before Christmas. So Christmas is not this weekend, it's next weekend. So this week, trying to close out the serious business for work. That way, next week, I can concentrate on getting a 3-day week and a 4-day weekend, because that's how we roll. Was gonna stop on the way to work today and pick up a Subway for lunch tonight, but I think I might be trying to beat the rain to work right now. I did bring some rain pants, but I don't really feel like stopping to put them on. All right, so post-COVID report. I think I've got most of my voice back. I went to talk to the Google Home the other day, and it didn't recognize my voice. It said I had to resync voice for new member. Like, well, maybe it did change my voice a little bit. Didn't know if that was a dead dog or something. Nope, it's a dead bag of leaves. Good. I'd rather have a dead bag of leaves than a dead dog in the middle of the road. There was a dead beaver out by the job site earlier. They're putting in the new gas station. Maybe the beaver was coming over to steal lumber. Sneaky beavers. Didn't really want to go this way, but kind of looked like the best option at the time. Feel like some crazy stuff going on. Follow your instinct. If a road looks like you shouldn't drive down it that day, you probably shouldn't. Happy Friday. See if we've added to the mattress count on this road. We're at 3. Well, tires, who knows? I can't count that fast. It's smooth. There's no traffic on this road, which is good. Traffic was crazy on Getwell. I guess it's not usually that nuts on Getwell. It was today. It was so crazy on Getwell that I had been going all the way down to the 4-way to turn. And today, I'm like, I have this feeling I should not. It's just crazy. Probably because it's Friday. It's Friday. People are goofy. But it's cool. I'm on a motorcycle. There's that. This isn't a bad bike. It just... I guess I can't explain it. Oh fuck, it's starting to rain. You gotta be kidding me. It was not supposed to rain today. Oh, beat the train. Yeah, I was gonna stop at Subway. But I'm like, might want to beat this rain. It's not supposed to rain, but you can't fight the sky. Can't fight facts. I've learned the secret on this bike, since there really is no suspension, is when you're crossing potholes and little rises in the road, to squeeze your butt cheeks. Make some muscle. Get some muscle between your spine and the seat, because them shocks ain't gonna help you for shit. So in the videos, if it looks like I'm about to cross a railroad track and I look about an inch higher, because I'm clenching up my butt cheeks. The only thing I don't really like about the bike is this suspension. It just makes for not uncomfortable, but because I mean on the highway there's no problem. I have no problem with it. But on these back roads where it's bumpy, well, I gotta decide. Well, I mean, you can Amazon it or frickin' eBay it, but I gotta decide if that's something. I gotta just have a serious discussion inside my own head whether I want to keep it or not. Well, I ain't gonna spend buku money on it, just like everything else on here that I put on it. I'm not gonna buku it. If I can't do it at a reasonable price, I'm not gonna do it. I mean, I'm gonna get good stuff, just like the pegs and the forward controls and everything else. If I can't do it at a reasonable price, I'm not gonna do it. But I gotta have that discussion in my head. Morning. Not much. Right there. Oh, already missed it. Oh. Hang on. I'll back her up again. All right. Go ahead. All right, have a good one. I get lost talking to everybody. Hello, fellow human being. How are you today? All right. I'm gonna go see what kind of hot mess is going on today.